that a little bit smaller. So you know what, we will just lift, barely tuck it under. Add a couple of folds. And there's a pocket square for Dad. All right, now our cake is ready to be packaged up. And so I've lined the cake box with a few sheets of tissue paper. I'm just gonna work that in there. Kind of crumple up a little bit of the paper if you want. It's just regular tissue paper lining the box. So now you've got a gift for Dad. And of course you can always embellish this if you want to. You can go a little bit further. You can add stripes or some sort of pattern to the tie. You can add a little label inside of here. Really, I mean, the only limit is the limit to your imagination. You can even add stripes to the shirt and into the collar as though it were part of the fabric. It's just entirely up to you. But there you go. Perfect gift for Dad.